Hey, what's up, Simi here. So I'm with the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Actually, I don't know this. I borrowed from Simi. Actually, I recorded this video in her studio, so make sure to check out her channel. Link is in the description. I'm pretty sure that you have watched thousands of videos, reviews about Redmi Note 10 Pro or 10. Anyway, I just do an unboxing. Yeah, what else I can do, right? Because I want to make longer videos. And then I will do camera tests in this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, unbox it. The first layer, without surprise, would be some paperwork and the phone case. You see the chunky manual that you're never gonna read. And then the phone. There are some highlights on this film. 108 megapixel quad camera, 120 Hz AMOLED 6.67 inch dot display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, 33 watt fast charging, and the battery is pretty big, 5020 milliamp. I really like the finish. It looks smooth, feels really smooth and well polished, but somehow it's easy to gather smudges and fingerprints. Yeah, but that's okay, you will wear a phone case anyway. So the camera specs, let's go over really quick. It's 108 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel quad camera. Yeah, for the more detailed one, just list on the screen, you can check it out. Yeah, let's move to other stuff. And then a Type-C cable and fast charger. Alright, that's it. Pretty much everything about it. Let's just do camera test. As the day we shot the sample photos, the weather was not very good. But let's see how the Redmi Note 10 Pro performs on such a cloudy day. To my surprise, it still does a good job. It generates a true to life color. The dynamic range is fine, many details are being kept, though some dark parts are just too dark. You can switch HDR to compensate that. The 108 megapixel picture looks, according to my opinion, not very impressive though, lacking in detail and good dynamic range. It has a really good portrait mode. The bokeh effect is just awesome. The 5 megapixel macro shots are detailed with lively colors. As for videos, it supports up to 4K 30fps resolution, but doesn't support image stabilization. The image stabilization feature only applied for 1080p 30fps or below. Here's a comparison video. You can see even the light is not good, the video still looks not bad, the detail is plenty, the noise is low, the video excels in everything else, smoothness, sharpness, colors, and contrast. However, I did run into a problem. Whenever I adjusted the resolution to 1080p 60fps, the camera got stuck. Even I upgraded the system, the problem was still existing. Not sure if it's a bug that's only on this unit I'm testing or the reasons. As for night photos and videos, they overall look good. Only one issue is the highlight areas got blown out, even though it's not a deal breaker.
Bom, gente, não existe vídeo noturno em nenhum dos dois modelos, tá? Então nós estamos gravando aqui normal de novo.
So let's talk about my conclusion. As I know, the price for this Redmi Note 10 Pro is really budget friendly. Like it's like $214 or something. That's really good value. And just merely from camera, from a camera test, I think those photos are really usable, though I ran into some bugs with it, but but maybe it's just because of this unit I'm testing. For other phones, I guess will not have these issues. So this is really budget-friendly phone. So if you want to learn more about it, you can check out the link in the description. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my friend Simi and my channel. Links in the description. See you guys later. I didn't say anything, right? It's okay, right? Okay. Wow, I didn't know the price before. Yeah, okay, that's okay.